Hi, my name is Jesseline, and this is going to be a video over graphing inequalities. So the first thing you want to see is something like this. X is greater than 3. Let's discuss the signs. So this is a greater than sign. And then this is a less than sign. And we read inequalities from left to right. Okay, so it's great to have our variable on this side. Let's say, for example, you have 3 is less than x. Okay, 3 is less than x. And I want to rewrite it with my variable on this side. Well, if I switch the order of the numbers, then I have to switch my sign too. I get x is greater than 3. And you can check it as well, because if the bigger part is eating the x, then it has to eat the x when we switch it. So it's easier to switch inequalities and read them from left to right with the variable on the left side when we're graphing. So let's go back to our original one, that x is greater than 3. So we had x is greater than 3. So on a number line, what you want to do is you want to plot 3. But first of all, x is greater than 3. It does not include 3 because it's not x is greater than or equal to 3. If it doesn't include 3, you're going to plot it, but you're going to plot it with an open circle. And then you say x is greater than 3. Greater than means on the number line, we're going to the right, because that's on a number line, our numbers are getting greater when we're going to the right, right? So we're going to shade to the right, and then we can shade that arrow to say that it goes on forever. So this is x is greater than 3. Now, let's do another one. Well, if we have x is less than or equal to 8. Okay, so remember when it has a line underneath, that means or equal to. So technically, I should have said this is a greater than sign. This is a greater than sign or equal to. This is a less than sign. This is a less than sign or equal to. So greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So when we have x is less than or equal to 8, it means it includes 8. Okay? So we plot 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We plot 8 on our number line, and since it includes it, I'm going to do a colored in circle because it includes 8. And less than means we're going down the number line towards the left, so I'm going to shade everything towards my left here, even including that, so it knows that it goes on forever. So x is less than 8. Let's do negative numbers. Don't be afraid of those negative numbers. It's the same thing. X is greater than negative 3. So we're going to plot negative 3. So that's negative 3 right there. And x is greater than negative 3. It does not include negative 3 because it doesn't have an or equal to line. So I'm going to do an open circle. And greater than negative 3 means we're going up the number line to the right, so I'm going to shade to the right. And this is how you graph inequalities.